All right, we're in section 3.4, the group portion. We're on page 333. Now let's get back to our good friends and the snow cone business. We were able to model the company's profit, so we're going to have some application problems here, so that's important. Using the equation profit, P, equals negative 245 plus 63 hundredths X, where X is the number of snow cones sold. Let's say that the goal is to make a profit of at least $100. At least $100 means 100 is the very minimum that you would want to make. Number 1, write inequality that states in symbols that the profit for this business will be at least $100. So I'm just going to write down in words real quickly. Profit is at least $100. Okay, so remember that this was the expression for the profit, this negative 245 plus 63 hundredths X. That's the profit, at least. Well, 100 is the minimum that it can be, so that means it's going to have to be greater than or equal to $100. Now, they would like for us to solve this inequality, so I'm going to pause this and have you work on that on your own. Okay, so just to recap here, it looks like to move that negative 245 on the other side, I added the 245 to both sides, and I got 63 hundredths X is greater than or equal to 345, and then I divided both sides by the 63 hundredths. And I got X is greater than or equal to, and we'll go ahead and round here, 547 and 6/10. Okay, why aren't we rounding to a whole number now? Well, it's an inequality, so when we look for solutions that make sense to our problem, we're going to be choosing whole numbers anyway since we're talking about snow cones. Okay, so let's go ahead and graph. So I'm going to just go ahead and put 547.6 in the middle here, and I'll put 547, 548 right there, and that's going to need a closed circle. Let's use the red like we've been doing and shade to the right. Okay, for number 4, they said show that one value from the solution set checks. Well, let's use 550, just see what works there. So see how that works out rather. So negative 245 plus 63 hundredths times 550, I hope that's what I said, is greater than or equal to 100. So I'm going to pause this. Let's put this left side right here. Let's put that into our calculators and see what we get. Okay, I got 101.5. Is that greater than or equal to 100? Yes, it is. So this checks out. And the number 5 says, what does the solution to the inequality tell us about the company? Well, hopefully what we have here is they'll need to sell okay, let's look at our solution here. Our solution was about 547 and 6/10. So either way, I know it's going to be more than 547 snow cones. You know, where's the or equal to part? Well, can you actually sell 0.6 snow cones? I guess you could if you wanted to, but generally that's not what they do. So to make a profit of at least $100. Oops, overkill there. All right, must be put something different in their snow cones.